Morning, students. Again, we are in the classroom. So, we will discuss the third property just to keep ourselves healthy is the protection from the diseases. There are different type of diseases are there, and we have to protect ourselves from the diseases. That's why you have to understand first the types of diseases. There are two types of diseases are there. Some diseases are deficient diseases. That means for the deficiency of the food items which are not adequate to the body is known as deficiency of that particular item, and for the deficiency of the particular item different type of diseases are coming out and the people are suffering from the different diseases. That's why you have to understand the what type of deficiency are there. Suppose the deficiency of protein, the type of diseases which are caused is known as kwashiorkor. Symptoms are there: limbs are becoming thin, bulge eyeballs, loss of appetite, chest protrudes, bones bends, suffers from diarrhea. So, these are the symptoms of this particular diseases which is caused by the deficiency of protein, and just to meet this type of deficiency, the diet includes adequate amount of pulses, fish and meat, etc., along with the fruits and vegetables. So, the next type of things, when the protein and carbohydrate both are deficient, then the type of disease are caused as known as marasmus. It is the symptom of the disease is that it prevents growth of the body, becoming lean and thin always, skins become wrinkled, stomach swells up and it looks like pale. So, with these symptoms we can understand that is the deficiency of the protein and carbohydrates, and the disease marasmus has been occurred. So, just to prevent this disease we have to include these items with our food, that is milk, fruits like banana, cereals are also required in adequate quantity. If we include these things in the diet, then the protection from the marasmus can be possible, and that's why this type of symptoms will be removed. If the deficiency of vitamin A is there, vitamin A deficiency will be causing for the night blindness. The symptoms will be that poor vision in the dim light, that means in the night he or she cannot see properly. When the light will be less, it will be very much difficult just to see properly. So, just to remove this type of disease or the deficiency of the vitamin A, it includes green leafy vegetable, papaya, mango, carrot, yellow pumpkin, milk and curd with the food items in the diet, so that this type of symptoms will be removed and the proper nutrition will be supplied with the vitamin A. Next type of thing is that when the vitamin B is shortage, when the deficiency is the vitamin B, then the disease cause is known as beriberi, and the beriberi is the symptoms of the disease. It will be saying that it affects nervous system. That means the proper attention will not be given, cannot remember the things properly, cannot think. It causes the heart disease and loss of appetite. So, just to remove this type of come out from the disease, it includes the unpolished rice, whole grains, green leafy vegetables, milk and liver with the diet. If we include these things in the diet, then the vitamin shortage of vitamin B will be removed and can live the healthy life. If the vitamin C is shortage, then the disease will be known as scurvy. The symptoms of these things, it is bleeding from the gums and swell up, the swelling infections will be there. The body will be swell up with the help of the infection. Different type of infection will be coming. So that's why it is required to include lemon, orange, amla, guava, papaya, pineapple, green leafy vegetables and sprouted grams in the diet, so that the shortage of vitamin B will be removed. If the vitamin D is shortage in the diet, then the disease will be coming as rickets. Symptoms are bones become soft and twisted, the bones breaks easily, and the problem of teeth will also be exposed. And just to remove this shortage, the food include butter, milk, liver, eggs, cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is the oil which is extracted from the fish, and these items must be included in the diet, so that the shortage of vitamin D could be removed and the deficient diseases like these things can be managed and can live a healthy life. Thank you.